right, so today we're diving into some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
All about how content creators are using AI
Mm-hmm.
to really kind of like boost what they're doing online.
Yeah.
And I
Okay.
gotta say, like, some of this is beyond just your basic AI,
Yeah.
you know?
For sure.
We're talking about like making viral videos,
Yeah.
almost like
Yeah,
automatic.
like almost on autopilot. It's crazy.
Yeah, and then there's this influencer who like totally blew up his following
Oh, yeah.
using AI.
Yeah.
And then even like turning yourself into like a cartoon that can talk.
That's wild.
It's pretty wild, right?
Yeah, I think what's interesting about all of this is that it really is like a whole new way of thinking about content creation.
Yeah.
It's not just about, the tools themselves, but it's about the strategies behind them.
Totally.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's
Absolutely.
let's start with this whole like
Yeah.
explosion of AI generated short videos.
Oh, yeah, those things are everywhere.
They're everywhere, right?
Everywhere you look, it's AI videos.
And what I think is so cool is how
Yeah.
people are using all these different AI tools together.
It's a whole
Yeah.
suite of tools.
Like Dale for the images
Oh, yeah. Dale is incredible.
from text.
Right. Just describe what you want and boom.
Yeah.
There's your image.
And then ChatGPT for like all those captions.
Oh, yeah. ChatGPT for all the writing.
Yeah.
Scripts.
And then even 11 Labs for like the voiceovers.
Oh, wow. I didn't know people were using that for that.
Oh, yeah.
That's really cool.
It's super realistic.
Wow.
It's like a whole...
So it's like a whole content creation factory, all powered by AI.
Yeah.
That's really amazing.
And I think that's part of why it's so
Yeah,
successful.
I think so too.
Is that it's like...
Because it really fits into how people consume content these days.
Yes. People's attention spans are...
Short.
Yeah.
Super short.
They're just like scrolling.
Scrolling. Exactly.
And so, like, to be able to just pump out so much content.
High quality content.
Yeah.
That's engaging.
Quickly is key.
Yeah. And at a volume that would have been impossible before.
Yeah.
Like, think about it even 5 years ago.
Totally.
You couldn't do this.
Yeah.
It just wasn't possible.
And there's this...
So that's amazing.
There's this tutorial that I saw.
Oh, cool.
Called...
What's it called?
How to Make Viral AI Wisdom Shorts.
Oh, wow.
Well,
Make viral AI wisdom shorts.
Yeah, we'll make sure that you can find that.
That sounds like a must-watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But, it's one thing to talk about the tech.
Yeah.
But it's a whole other thing to actually see it in action.
Right.
And so that brings us to this guy, Mr. Grateful.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Grateful.
Have you heard of him?
I have heard of him, yeah.
So?
He's like the poster child for AI content creation right now.
He's really embraced this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, he's really shown what's possible.
Yeah. And I think his story is just like
Yeah.
such a good example of like how AI can actually be used strategically.
Absolutely.
So he got 100,000 Instagram followers in 30 days.
That's insane.
It's crazy, right?
How is that even possible?
And a big part of that was this custom AI assistant he built called Agent GPT.
Oh, wow. So he really went all in.
Yeah.
He's like,
he really
I'm going to build my own AI.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
Yeah. What I think is so cool is it wasn't just about like, creating content.
Yeah.
He used it for like analyzing his audience.
Oh, wow.
Figuring out the best times to post.
Yeah.
Even like optimizing his engagement strategies.
So it was like helping him with every aspect of his online presence.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
He even said that like Agent GPT was able to like identify trends.
Oh, wow.
Before they blew up.
So it was like predicting the future of content.
Yeah, like giving him a real edge.
That's incredible.
And that
was amazing.
I think that's like the key takeaway here.
Yeah.
It's not about AI.
Right.
Like replacing.
It's about amplifying the human element.
Yes.
Right? Like it's about.
It's like having a superpower.
Yeah.
To help you with your content.
It's like having this like super smart partner.
A super smart sidekick.
Who's helping you make smarter decisions. Better decisions.
No, it's daunting.
And the cool thing is that he's super open about his process.
Oh, that's awesome.
So you can go on his Instagram. It's at Mr. Grateful.
Oh, okay.
And he's got all these YouTube podcasts too.
I'll have to check those out.
Which are like full of great insights.
That's so cool that he's sharing all that.
Yeah.
I love that.
So that's like
that's like
optimizing like your existing content, right?
Yeah.
But what if you could like create entirely new personas?
Yeah. Or like step into
virtual versions of yourself.
Yes. Yeah.
That's where these AI avatars come in.
Oh yeah, the AI avatars.
And they are next level.
Have you seen these?
I have seen those, yeah.
They're pretty crazy.
They're pretty wild.
So there's this tool called DID.
Yeah. Okay.
And it uses like all these advanced algorithms.
Mm-hmm.
Like including like these things called GANs.
Oh, yeah. I've heard of those generative adversarial networks.
Yeah.
Those are really powerful.
They're crazy.
Yeah.
And
So they can create like
yeah?
photorealistic images and videos. It's
Yeah.
insane.
It'll create like an animated version of you
Oh.
that's like super realistic.
So like you could turn yourself into a Pixar character,
Yeah.
basically.
It's crazy.
So cool.
I tried it myself.
Oh, we did.
And I was like
What did you think?
blown away.
Really?
It was like looking at a cartoon of myself.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Gotta try that.
But beyond just like the cool factor.
Yeah.
Like I'm really curious about like
Right.
the bigger picture here.
Yeah, like the applications of this.
Yeah, like what can we actually do with this?
Right, like how can we use this technology?
So what do you think?
Well, I mean, the potential is huge, right?
Yeah.
Like, think about it. You could create personalized video content
Oh yeah.
that feels way more engaging
And human.
Then
Not
we-
just like
than like a regular video.
Yeah.
Where it's
Wow.
just, a talking head.
like presentations.
Oh, yeah. Presentations would be so much more dynamic.
Yeah.
Like, imagine.
And captivating.
Yeah, exactly. Like, instead of just standing there with slides, you've
Yeah.
got your AI avatar up there
Yeah.
moving around.
Gesturing.
Yeah.
Bringing the presentation to life.
Yeah.
That's
And
incredible.
then even like interactive storytelling,
Oh wow.
like where you're.
So you could be like the main character
Yes.
in a video game or something.
It's crazy.
That's amazing.
What about like.
Imagine like educational content.
Oh, yeah.
Where you could have like
historical figures
Yeah.
coming to life.
Yeah.
And telling their own stories.
or even like fictional characters
Oh, yeah. That would be amazing.
from books.
Like imagine
Yeah.
having like a virtual Shakespeare
It's great.
giving a lecture on Hamlet.
Yeah, the possibilities
That's
are
incredible.
pretty much endless.
Yeah. The possibilities are endless.
And there's
Is it-
a good
Yeah.
step-by-step tutorial
Oh, cool.
called Pixar-style talking avatar of yourself with AI.
Okay, cool.
If you want to like,
I have to check that out.
yeah,
Yeah.
kind of get your
It's amazing how.
feet wet with that.
Yeah, it's amazing how accessible this technology is becoming.
Yeah.
Like, you don't need to be a computer scientist
Yeah.
to create these things. It's
Yeah.
incredible.
You don't need a whole studio.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
You can do it all from your laptop. It's really democratizing content creation, I think.
It is.
Yeah.
And I think what's so cool about all of this is like,
Yeah.
It's-
really empowering creators.
yeah, it's empowering creators to
Yeah.
focus on the
To focus on what really matters,
Yeah.
which is the strategy
strategy.
and the creativity.
Yeah.
It's
Not the technical stuff.
right. It's not about the technical hurdles anymore. It's
Yeah.
about
It's about the idea.
the ideas, exactly. It's
Yeah.
about the vision.
So as we wrap up,
Yeah.
I have one question for you.
Okay.
What's going to be your
Hit me.
AI power move?
My AI power move.
Are you going to try these viral shorts?
I'm definitely intrigued by the AI avatars.
Yeah.
I think that's something I might have to play around with.
Yeah.
See what kind of crazy virtual version of myself I can create.
Yeah.
That sounds fun.
Or maybe you'll build your own.
Maybe I'll build my own AI assistant.
Yeah.
That could be cool.
Like Mr. Grateful.
Yeah, why not, right? If he can do it,
Well,
maybe I can too.
the tools are out there.
Yeah, the tools are out there.
And really the only limit is your,
the only limit is your imagination.
yeah,
That's the beauty of it.
that's the beauty of it.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
really exciting to see where this all goes.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting to see
Yeah.
what happens next.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
Oh, thanks for having me.
It's been a pleasure.
It's been fun.
And we'll see you next time.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah. Bye.